Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is interesting because we talk about how some computers have features that others don't. So my main PC that I use mostly and make most of my videos of course, doesn't have the new start menu. Yet my gaming laptop, at some point after a restart, got the new start menu that has the phone link app kind of panel on the right side of the start menu. It's kind of interesting that this one has it and the other one doesn't. It's always something that I kind of hate of Microsoft always doing things that is only some can see and others don't. I did see that some comments of some of you out there that told me, hey, I've got that panel now with the phone link on the start menu that appeared. And of course, it's rolling out slowly to people, but, at some point, it'll probably pop up on my other PCs too. One thing that I wanted to add also about the start menu, some of the changes coming. Of course, I've shown you some of the changes coming later this year. Well, it is starting to get even more interesting in the dev channel. If you have the latest build, you will have the new start menu that actually has a way to scroll through the apps. So, for example, if you have pinned apps and recommended apps and so on, you have a lot of stuff on your start menu. Well, you will be able to scroll up and down through the different icons, the different apps that are there. So this is something new for this start menu, which did not scroll, and it's going to be interesting to see this come also through the new start menu eventually. That will be out there, where we're going to have a lot more ways of customizing everything. So, yep, I've got my panel here now for this phone link, which is kind of interesting. Makes an easy way of doing things, including sending files, which is kind of interesting. And more is open phone link, customize recent activity, and start settings. So that's kind of interesting. I hope I'm going to get it eventually soon to my main PC that I use all the time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.